Klaushofer Automation, Smart Solution by Intelligent Automation. More than 30 years of experience in the automation industry. Our know-how for your success. We offer individual, practice-oriented and economic solutions for your specific demands. Say hello to cutting-edge technology. We help updating your facility using state-of-the-art techniques. Especially for large-scale plants, we offer economic alternatives, ensuring your business sustainability. Klaushofer Automation is your partner for energy management. Hydro energy is the clean and efficient solution that will maintain your company's autonomy. In times of technology 4.0, the intelligent factory demands efficiency and transparency. We supply the necessary solutions for machine data logging, from project planning to realization. We are your reliable partner close by.